Right, so in section 1.5, we've now got the player to put the guess in. The random number's been generated, but we're not comparing the numbers yet. And that's what this is here. Let's bring this up to the centre of the screen. I'm just pressing enter to move this now. So I want to put an if statement in. An if statement allows you to compare. Always remember the if statement has to end with a colon. You can also see it's dinted in 4 spaces, or you can press tab. If the integer of random number is equal to the integer of player guess. Again, the reason I've had to put int and then the actual variable in brackets is this int function here. It actually turns it into an actual number which Python can understand and then compare. If you don't put that there, it doesn't see it as a number, an actual whole number. An integer is just a whole number. So if the integer of random number is equal to the integer of player guess, please remember that double equals. If you don't put that in, if you just put equals in, you'll get an error. If it does that, print, again 4 spaces in, you got it, string, the player name, well done. Else, so if it isn't equal to, print, totally wrong, you guessed, the player guessed, the number was, and it then tells you the random number. Let's make this a bit wider, and tell you the random number. So let's run that. So, welcome to Guess the Number. What's your name? My name's Steve still. Hello Steve, I've chosen a random number between 0 and 100. It's told me what the number is. What's my guess? Well, my guess is 43 this time. Well Steve, your guess was 43, totally wrong. You guessed 43, the number was 97. Let's close that, start it again. F5. Here we're doing some good testing for our game. Welcome to Guess the Number. I'm still called Steve. Random number's 54. What's your guess? 54. Well, Steve, your guess is 54. You got it, Steve. Well done. See how, by having that random number print out, it allows me to test my game really quickly. Remember, the commenting out part allows you to get rid of that. So if I were to go in, now I know my game works, and go up to that print, random number equals, comment that out there, F5, OK. Welcome. Hello Steve, choose a number. What's your guess? Now the random number's not printed out. 45. Totally wrong. The number is 93. It's a game, but it's not particularly interesting because it's going to be very difficult. Well, I've got a 1 in 100 chance of getting that number right first time. The game's over now. Program's run. That's it. So the next step is to actually improve this and try and make it form some kind of loop so we can actually make the game a bit more exciting.